Abdel Hakim Abdel Samad Kamel, Arabic, 9, DCJE 9, D5 Iked, born October 7, 1962, is an Egyptian folk singer. In addition to the number of albums he has put out, on December 11, 2006 he was the first person from an Arab country to perform at a Nobel Peace Prize event. Biography. Hakim was born in Magagat, a small town in Al-Minya, Egypt. Hakim grew up with the sound of working and lower-class tradition of Shayab music, the root of southern Egyptian. He admired the great Shabi singer Ahmet Adaya. He reportedly began singing at age 8 and practiced mawil, the vocal improvisations which begin a Shabi song. He formed a band while in high school, obtained his college degree in Cairo, and then returned to Minya to continue in music before moving back to Cairo. Musical styles: Shabi, Middle Eastern, belly dance, Alju, Egyptian. World music. Discography: Nazra, 1992, Nar, 1994, Efrat, 1997, Hale, 1998, Yahoo, 2000. The Lion Roars, Hakim Live in America, 2000, Talakik, 2002, Tammany Elect, 2004, El Yaumdol, 2004, Kolo Yoris, 2005, Leela, 2006, with James Brown and Stevie Wonder, Taiji, with Don Omar, 2007, Yamozago, 2011, Alabama Wadok, 2017. References. External links. King of Egyptian Shabi music. Hakim on IMDb.